Hi, my name is Todd, and I, along with my classmates Alexa, Carla, and Kelly, were given the topic of eutrophication. I would like to take a few minutes to give an overview of our topic and what you will find when looking at our slideshow. First, eutrophication is the addition of excess nutrients to a water system, which leads to the growth and subsequent death of algae, which reduces the dissolved oxygen available for other aquatic organisms. There are 5 main stages or steps of eutrophication. First, nutrients wash into a river or stream. Second, algae grows quickly in response to the added nutrients. Third, the algae blocks the sunlight to aquatic plants, so photosynthesis slows down and less oxygen is released into the water. This results in low dissolved oxygen levels. Fourth, you have decomposer populations increase because they have more food, the algae, and they use up all the oxygen for respiration, which is high BOD levels, biochemical oxygen demand levels. And then finally, number 5, fish and other consumers die due to lack of oxygen and the lack of producers at the base of the food web. Nitrates and phosphates are the most common nutrients responsible for eutrophication. They tend to come from a few major sources such as detergents, agricultural fertilizers, livestock waste from farms, human sewage, and even just topsoil erosion. There are some major impacts of eutrophication. For example, you can get depleted oxygen levels, a collapse of food chains, which leads to a decrease in biodiversity, water contaminated with nitrites, and turbidity caused by buildup of sediment. When thinking about the impacts of eutrophication, you have to think about pollution management strategies with respect to eutrophication, such as minimizing the amount of nutrients being released into the stream by limiting production, use of detergents containing phosphates, possibly creating buffer zones between agricultural land and water resources, prevent animal waste from leaching into groundwater and rivers and streams and other bodies of water. Also, treat the polluted area by pumping air into a water source, or divert or treat sewage properly, perhaps dredge or dig up contaminated sediments. You might even physically remove the algae blooms from the water itself. While this is not a comprehensive study of eutrophication, it should give you a better insight to the causes and effects that surrounds it, and hopefully this gives you a good overview of what you'll be looking at when you look at our slideshow. Thank you.